Why are fewer people choosing high-storage iPhones? Apple is facing a new challenge, and it's not just about lower sales. A recent report from consumer intelligence research partners has revealed that more buyers are sticking to the base storage models instead of upgrading. This trend could have a bigger impact on Apple's profits than expected. The iPhone 16 series hasn't been as successful as Apple hoped, but now a shift in consumer behavior is adding to the company's concerns. In the last quarter of 2024, 58% of iPhone 16 and 16 Plus buyers chose the 128GB model rather than paying extra for the 256 or 512GB versions. That's a significant increase from the 52% of iPhone 15 and 15 Plus buyers who made the same choice during the same period in 2023. A similar pattern is emerging in the Pro models. The iPhone 16 Pro Max starts at 256GB, but fewer buyers are opting for the 512GB or 1TB options compared to last year's iPhone 15 Pro Max. This shift is unusual, as people buying premium smartphones typically look for extra storage. But what's really surprising is that this trend doesn't apply to older iPhones. Buyers of the iPhone 14, iPhone 15, and iPhone Southeast 3 are more likely to go for higher storage options compared to iPhone 16 buyers. This raises an important question. Why are people avoiding premium storage tiers for the newest iPhones while still choosing them for older models? One reason could be pricing. Apple charges a significant premium for extra storage. The iPhone 16 Pro Max costs $1,199 for 256GB, but upgrading to 512GB increases the price to $1,399. The 1TB version is even more expensive at $1,599. Paying $400 more just for additional storage isn't an easy decision, especially when cloud storage is a cheaper alternative. Many users now rely on services like iCloud, Google Drive, or external storage options instead of paying Apple's high storage prices. Another factor could be changing user habits. More people are streaming music, movies, and TV shows instead of downloading them. With faster internet speeds and better cloud integration, local storage is becoming less of a priority. Apps like Netflix, Spotify, and Apple Music allow users to access content without filling up their phone's storage. As a result, many feel that 128 or 256GB is enough for daily use. Apple may need to rethink its pricing strategy if this trend continues. A simple solution would be to make storage upgrades more affordable. Imagine if the 512GB iPhone 17 Pro Max was priced at $1,299 instead of $1,399. That small reduction could encourage more buyers to choose higher storage tiers. Similarly, lowering the cost of the 1TB model could make it more appealing. However, Apple isn't known for cutting prices unless it sees a major shift in demand. Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.
Samsung's One UI 7.0 update has introduced a game-changing feature that's bound to make navigation a lot more convenient for users. The Now bar. This new tool is designed to work seamlessly with Google Maps, providing route-related information directly on the phone's lock screen. The beauty of this feature is that you won't need to unlock your device or even open the app to check your next turn. Instead, a simple glance at your phone will show you the important navigation updates, making your travel experience smoother and far more efficient. Initially, the Now bar was introduced with One UI 7.0, aimed at tracking ongoing activities and offering relevant information without needing to jump between apps. However, when Samsung first unveiled the feature at the Galaxy Unpacked event, it wasn't fully functional with Google Maps. That has changed. Recently, Google released an update that allows Google Maps to integrate flawlessly with the Now bar on Samsung Galaxy devices running One UI 7.0. The latest Google Maps update, version 25.050 1.719889437, now works smoothly with this feature, ensuring that your navigation details appear right on the lock screen. This integration means you can view your next steps without unlocking your phone, whether you're driving, walking, or taking public transport. You'll receive live updates in real time, including a progress bar for public transportation routes, estimated time of arrival, and other crucial details to keep you on track. Google originally designed the Live Updates feature for Android 16, but thanks to this update, it works perfectly even on devices running Android 15. This speaks volumes about Google's dedication to enhancing the user experience for a wider range of devices. The Now bar isn't limited to just Google Maps, though. It works across various Samsung and Google apps, providing updates for activities like checking your progress in Samsung Health, setting reminders in Samsung Notes, or even tracking live sports scores via Google. This means you don't need to unlock your device to stay up to date with important information, regardless of which app you're using. One of the most notable advantages of the Now bar is that it also functions on the always-on display. This is especially helpful when your phone is in sleep mode. Even when the screen is off, you can still view important updates, and if you need to interact with any of the displayed information, a simple double tap will take you right to the action. This small yet impactful feature makes multitasking even easier and ensures that you have the necessary information right at your fingertips without needing to wake your device or search for apps. In addition to its functionality, the Now bar enhances the overall experience of using your Samsung device. With real-time updates and seamless integration with various apps, it ensures that you have everything you need in one place. This makes it a particularly valuable tool for users who rely on their devices for navigation and task management. Plus, with the Galaxy S25 launch just around the corner, Samsung has ensured that the software continues to match the advanced hardware capabilities of its latest devices. If you haven't updated your Google Maps app yet, now's the time to do so. This new integration makes it easier than ever to stay on top of your travel plans and ongoing activities. It also ensures a more seamless and efficient experience when using Google Maps on your Samsung device. So, what do you think of the Now bar? Do you think it will make your navigation experience more convenient? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech innovations. Are you still using your Samsung Galaxy A series phone? If so, you might want to check for the latest update that just rolled out. Samsung has started distributing the January 2025 security patch to several Galaxy A models in the United States, including the Galaxy A23 5G, Galaxy A32 5G, Galaxy A35 5G, and the Galaxy A53 5G. Even though these devices have been around for a few years now, Samsung continues to provide crucial updates to ensure they remain secure and function well. The January 2025 security update addresses a number of vulnerabilities. It fixes 29 issues that affect the Android operating system itself, alongside 22 security flaws specific to Samsung devices. While this update doesn't bring major new features, it's essential for the protection and stability of your phone. These security patches are designed to safeguard user data and enhance the overall performance of your device. Regular updates are vital, especially as threats continue to evolve. For owners of the Galaxy A35 and Galaxy A53, there's something to look forward to beyond just security patches. In the upcoming months, these models will be upgraded to Samsung's One UI 7, which is based on Android 15. This update will bring new features and improvements that enhance both the performance and user interface, ensuring these phones feel fresh even as they age. Unfortunately, the Galaxy A23 and Galaxy A32 won't be receiving any further major operating system updates, but they will continue to get security patches to ensure they stay secure for a while longer. If you're using one of these models, you can check for the update by heading to your phone's settings. Simply select Software Update and tap Download and Install. It's a quick and easy way to keep your phone protected. While these security patches may seem like small updates, they play an important role in ensuring your device is secure and running smoothly. It's always a good idea to keep your phone up to date, as this helps protect it from potential threats and ensures it performs at its best. One of the benefits of receiving these updates is that they extend the lifespan of your phone. Many people hold onto their smartphones for several years, and consistent updates help keep older devices functioning as efficiently as possible. This is especially true for mid-range models like the Galaxy A series, which may not always get the same attention as flagship devices but still deserve long-term support. Samsung's commitment to keeping these phones updated shows just how much they value providing ongoing support, even for budget-friendly options. If you haven't received the January 2025 update yet, don't worry, carrier-locked versions of these phones are still waiting to be updated, but they will likely get the patch soon. Keeping your device updated isn't just about security, it also helps improve the phone's performance. Over time, updates can fix bugs, optimize apps, and even introduce new features. It might seem like a hassle to download and install these updates, but the benefits far outweigh the inconvenience. A well-maintained phone can save you from costly repairs or even replacing your device prematurely. So, if you own a Galaxy A23, A32, A35, or A53, it's time to check for the latest update. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more updates on Samsung devices and other tech news. Stay tuned for more.